Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to set up an Amazon account right on your PC in 2025. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fast tech tips. All right, let's dive in. Start by heading to Amazon.com. Check the description for a Start Here link to zip straight to the sign up page. Or from the homepage, click the drop down next to Sign In. Spot that Start Here option for new users and click it. Pop in your email or mobile number. Let's go with email for this. Type it out, then hit Continue. If it's a fresh email, like one for Pixel and Bracket, you'll get a prompt to create an account. Perfect. Next, fill in your first name, last name, and cook up a solid password. Hit Verify Email at the bottom. Amazon will shoot a one-time passcode to your inbox. Grab that code, I've got mine handy. Plug it in and click Create Account. The homepage reloads, and you're in with a shiny new Amazon account. You're not on Prime yet, and no payment methods are set, but head to Account in the top menu to tweak login security, add gift cards, or update addresses. And that's it. You've successfully created your Amazon account. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.